All right, send a message.
Send a message.
Things are coming.
We kids always thought that was the most fun thing to do is come down and play with that. We'd have to make sure we didn't send a message.
Glad to see you.
What did you say?
Glad to see you.
Glad to
Glad
see you.
Really?
Oh.
When did you go to work for the railroad,
In Table Rock, or when did I?
in general?
1949. 48.
Why was
49.
For the CB&Q?
Yeah.
And you came to Table Rock when?
In 58.
And what did you do in Table Rock?
Worked for the depot agent. Telegraph relief operator for the Table Rock. Permanent employees.
What shift did you work?
Various. Morning, afternoon, and midnight to morning. 3 different shifts.
How fast could you transmit Morse code?
Not too fast.
Was that a big part of the job?
Yes, it was.
Did you hand up the train orders?
Yes, it did.
Did you ever make a train stop and come
Yes,
back?
Yes, I have. They missed the train order.
Whose fault was that?
Always the trainman.
Did you like the job?
Yeah, I did.
What did you like about it?
Well, it's a job. I need a job. Family and kids. And it's a good paying job.
Were there mostly, how many trains a day came through?
Oh, I don't remember. We had 41, 42, 43, and 44. That's a train, passenger trains. And the freight trains. And how many was that?
And the 40 and 41,
And 42 and 43 and 44 were passenger trains. Back, see, 41 and 42 run Table Rock towards Lincoln, and 43 and 4 went towards Wymore, I think. One or the other. They come down and go back. And when 41 and 42 come out of St. Joe, went to Lincoln.
were they steam or diesel?
The steam then went to diesel.
So they were steam when you first came to Table Rock
No, I think it was diesel.
by then?
But when I first started, the railroad had steam engine.
How long did it take you to learn Morse code?
I don't remember. I think it was 6 months I went to Morse trade school, I think.
Did you go to school for it?
Yes,
Really?
in Omaha, Nebraska.
The railroad had a school.
No, private companies had schools for teaching Morse trade, Morse code.
Okay.
I had a little bit of code when I was in the Air Force on the air to ground. It was a little bit different. That's how they put me to work for the railroad. I had some code experience.
And who did you work with at the depot?
Layden and Cumro, they're the 2 main ones.
And the guy that fell out of the tree, who was
That
that?
was Kuhlman.
Kuhlman.
He was behind me in seniority.
Okay. Where did you go from here?
I went to Auburn and I went to Elk Creek. In 50, 61, 62, 4? 64 I went to Elk Creek. In 67 I went to Auburn and quit the railroad. Went in business.
So you had a little shy of 20 years with the railroad then?
18 and a half.
Well, you think people should come see this exhibit?
Sure, it's interesting. You want to see something?
Oh, how old are you?
94.
94.
Seniority roster.
Yes.
Year number 73.
Ebeler, M.A. 1949.
From Hartlepool I moved to Crewe and I found myself with a job to do, working on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. In 1843 I broke me shovel across my knee, and I went to work for a company on the Leeds and Selby Railway.